Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw on your Metamask wallet. So in order to do it, you first need to download and install Metamask wallet in your smartphone, and then you just have to simply either create your Metamask wallet if you haven't already, or you just have to log in into your account. Now once you are in your Metamask wallet, the first thing that you need to do is to simply select that particular network on which you are going to make the deposit. As you can see that currently I'm in my Metamask account and I have selected the PNB Smart Chain network in the top. So if I want to change this network, so you need to just tap on this drop arrow button, and here you will be able to see the options to switch between the networks. Like you can switch from PNB Smart Chain to Ethereum main network, and from Ethereum main network to Polygon mainnet, and so on. If you want to add any other networks, then you just have to tap on the add network option, and here you will be able to see some of the popular networks. But for custom networks, you can select the custom network option as well. Now after selecting your network, you just have to import that particular token which you want to deposit into your Metamask wallet. So let's say I'm going to demonstrate this to you on the Ethereum main network. So first I'm going to switch from BNB to my Ethereum main network, and as you can see that I have imported some of the coins over here like USDT and USDC. So if you don't know how to import them, then you need to just simply tap on this import tokens button in the bottom, and now in the search bar you need to search for USDT or USDC, whichever you want to import over here. After selecting the token, you need to press next. Now you need to tap on the import button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way that particular token will be imported in your Ethereum main network. Now let's say you want to deposit USDT on the Ethereum network, which would be the ERC20 network. So you need to first select USDT. Afterwards you need to just scroll down, and here you need to just tap on receive. After doing so, you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you need to just copy this address from here, then you need to just go to that particular exchange which you want to use in order to deposit your crypto into your Metamask wallet. For this video, as an example, I'm going to use Binance. So let's say I have my USDT in my Binance account, so I'm going to launch it. Then tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner and select the spot option in the top. As we have selected USDT, as we want to deposit USDT in our Metamask wallet, so you need to select USDT over here, then select the withdrawal option and tap on send via crypto network. Afterwards, you just have to press that particular address that we have just copied from Metamask wallet, so paste it in this section. Then it will automatically take your network. Then you just have to enter the amount of USDT here that you want to withdraw. After filling these details, you need to press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once this step is done, you will be able to receive or deposit your crypto in your Metamask wallet. Now in order to withdraw from your Metamask wallet, what you need to do is you need to simply come back to your Metamask wallet, and now you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Before selecting that crypto, again you will have to switch to the network. So let's say I want to receive my USDT on the ERC20 network, which is the Ethereum main network. So in this section you just have to tap on the send button. Now it will ask you to provide the destination address, so you just have to get this address from any of the exchanges or any of the wallets that you want to use. So you just have to simply select that particular address, and then you need to press next in the bottom. After that, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from here or withdraw from here, and then press next in the bottom. On the next page, it will show you the quotas. So you just have to simply tap on the withdraw button and initiate and confirm your transaction. And once the transaction is completed, you will be successfully able to withdraw your money from your Metamask wallet to any other exchanges. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.